and go shopping to buy juice.
That's right. We'll go shopping, buy juice. Kiss si Mama, be. More? More?
More? More?
More?
More? Where's our car?
Where's our car? Now you're saying our car. Last time you said your car. Good job. Good morning! Good morning! Ang ating bata ay pupunta na ng childcare.
Maya?
Mommy up! No, the car is on na. Oy! Come on! Yan siya. Ayun, nag-up na. Kadul naman sa sakyanan. Naku. Up! Okay. Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Mommy. Yeah, mommy.
No, Mama will go with you.
Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Daddy. Kiss. Okay, Daddy kiss too. Yeah. Oh, Mama kiss too. Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye, the car.
Let's go in the car.
Bye-bye, the car.
Yeah, Daddy will wait in the car. Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Keep out.
See you later.
Keep out.
Si Pouch. Hi guys! Pasensya na, ngayon lang tayo ulit nakapag-vlog. Nakita nyo naman kanina na dinrap namin si Paris sa childcare tapos hindi na ako nakapag-vlog ulit. Kasi we were running late and kailangan mag-start na ako ng work at 8:30. So pagkabalik namin dito, 8:30 na siya. So hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Mag-1 o'clock na pala siya ng hapon, kaya magla-lunch break na kami ni Mike. It's been a few lunch breaks na hindi kami nagkasama kasi sobrang busy talaga sa trabaho ko. Si Mike kasi nagla-lunch break siya mga 12, 12:30 and yung mga times na yun, kailangan kong nasa harap ng computer ko. Kaya hindi ako nakakasama sa kanya. But today, sabi niya talaga na I demand you to come with me. Kasi daw, hindi na daw kami nakakapag-banding pag lunch break kasi work nang daw ng work. Sa alis na kami, maglalakad na naman kami papuntang shops para bumili ng aming hot drinks. And medyo ano siya sa labas. Oh, very makulimlim siya sa labas. Hindi masyadong kita. Pero I'll bring you with me guys para naman magchika-chika tayo habang naglalakad. I'll see you again very soon. So ayan mga friends, nasa labas na tayo. Wala si Mr. Sun today. Check natin yung mailbox. Sasabihin ko sana na honey check the mailbox. Akala ko nandito si Paris. Wala pala si Paris. Anything? Nah, that's not ours. Naglalakad-lakad na kami papuntang shops. Mabuti naman hindi siya masyadong mahangin so hindi siya maginaw. Pero naka-jacket naman ako. Daddy, are you happy that I'm with you?
Of course.
Of course. Kaya kasi sabi niya kanina, I demand you to come with me, sabi niya.
That's right. It's very important to have time together. Special times.
Special times, so maglakad-lakad lang. Pero, tingnan niyo, hawak kamay naman, so...
Special times. Now, can you bloody hurry up?
Sabi ko muna kayo, mag-vlog muna ako. Yun ang nga sabi ko kanina, since last week, hindi ako nakapag-lunch break with Mike kasi nga sobrang busy sa work. And this morning, I woke up early, niready ko si Paris for childcare. And then, dinala ko siya sa childcare. Pagkabalik ko sa bahay, work na, diretso kasi 8:30 na. And then, 10:30, meron akong meeting. And then, yeah, back to work. And now, lunch break. Mamaya, pagkatapos ng lunch break, pagka-uwi ko, may training na naman ako. God, ang daming gagawin. Sobrang busy ko na talaga. Minsan, hindi ko na alam kung paano i-manage yung time ko. Nabubuang na talaga ako. Ang hirap lang i-manage yung time minsan, guys, kasi alam niyo naman, I'm a mother, I'm a wife. Tapos, full-time pa yung trabaho ko. Like 8:30 to 5. Tapos itong ano pa, vlog ko pa. Minsan late na ako natutulog kasi kailangan kong mag-edit ng videos ko. And si Mike, minsan sinasabi niya sa akin na phone off na. And gustong-gusto ko naman talagang mag-upload ng videos, guys. Like, every single day. Kasi nga, even before na wala pang nanonood sa akin, nag-upload nga ako every single day. Ngayon pa kayang marami nang nagmamahal sa amin. Na-enjoy ko talagang mag-vlog and mag-edit and mag-upload. Tapos, pag may natatanggap pa akong mga lovely comments, it makes me feel good. Kaya yun, ginajuggle ko lahat. Pero sa totoo lang talaga, nahihirapan ako. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ikakat-kat yung aking time ba para magawa ko lahat. But I'm very happy kasi Mike is always there to help me. Daddy, yeah? Agree ang buang.
I don't know what you're talking about, but yeah.
Si Mike yung naglilinis, nagluluto, nilalaro niya si Paris. So pag hindi ako tinutulungan ni Mike, guys, hindi ko to magagawa talaga. I'm just very lucky na Mike is always there to help kasi yun nga, parang sinusupport niya yung passion ko ba.
Linis. What's that word for salary?
Sweldo.
Swallow. Swallow. Linis.
Luto.
Luto.
That's right.
Making world-class, beautiful babies.
Pero seriously, guys, kung hindi talaga ako tinutulungan ni Mike sa mga gawaing bahay and everything, hindi talaga ako makakapag-vlog. Hindi talaga ako makapag-edit. Pero kasi supportado niya ako eh. Ayan, very supportive lang ang ating daddy.
Yeah, daddy number one.
Daddy number one.
Husband number one. Best friend number one.
Daddy, someone asked you if you are a soldier. What can you say about that?
I'm a soldier of God. And a soldier of Jovi's heart.
Mabanggaan na tayo dito ngayon. Ay. Soldier. You're a soldier of fortune. Hindi. Yung sagot dyan, hindi. Hindi soldier si Mike. Yun na nga. He's a soldier of my heart. Pero buti na nga rin yung vlog natin is pang family. Kaya while nagba-vlog tayo, we're with the family. So spend pa rin ang time sa kanila. So we're killing two birds with one stone. Hot chocolate is ready. Bili lang tayo ng pang lunch. Pork banh mi for lunch. Ayan. Very delicious. Alas 5 na! Fresh ka pa ba? Guys, kita nyo ang ating mga hinay-hay dyan, guys. Oh, kasi nga sabi ko, dyan namin hinahay-hay kasi nandyan yung heater. So, pag nagbo-blow siya ng warm na hangin, pumupunta doon and mabilis siyang mag-dry. Anyways, kakatapos lang naming mag-work, guys. Actually, work is always busy. Ay, hindi siya natatapos talaga. But, andyan na yan, oh. Andyan pang aming mga computer. Diyan ako nag-work, doon si Mike. And, it's 5 o'clock na, guys. So, ibig sabihin yan, stand up na kami kasi pipick upin na namin ang aming baby girl. Naghihintay na yun dun siya. Kawawa yan siya minsan pag, alam niyang 5 o'clock, feel niya na darating na kami ng daddy niya. Kaya naghihintay yan siya sa amin. Anyways, alis na kami, guys, ha. Pick upin lang muna namin si Paris, tapos kita tayo ulit maya. Alas 5 pa siya, oh, pero medyo madilim na. Pero at least, ayan, nakikita niyo yung light sa, oh, orange. Nagsa-sunset yan siya. Doon, kita pala doon, oh. At least clear na yung skies. Hindi na siya nagdagom. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina after naming mag-lunch. Kasi nagdali-dali na kami. May training kasi ako ng 2 o'clock. Kaya kailangan ko makabalik sa bahay before 2 o'clock. Tapos itong si Mike kasi dapat, di ba pinakita ko sa inyo yung binili ko? Yung Vietnamese pork roll. So yun yung binili ko kasi gustong gusto ko talaga yun. Si Mike naman, natagalan kami konti kasi si Mike pumunta pa dun sa medyo malayo-layo pa na, na shop. Guess kung anong binili niya. Yung binili niya, the same lang din nung sa akin. Sabi ko, bakit hindi mo na lang binili dito para isang ano na lang, tindahan na lang ba at makauwi tayo kaagad-agad? Hindi, kasi dun siya pumunta kasi naaawa daw siya sa may-ari ng, ng isang shop na yun kasi wala daw pumupunta. Kaya sinuportaan niya, dun siya bumili ng ano ng pork roll kahit malayo kasi susuportaan daw niya kasi kawawa daw ba. Mabait daw yung taong yun kaya kahit malayo, malate kami. Pumunta talaga yun siya dun para dun siya bumili. Bait naman ni Mike, eh. Are you ready to see your daughter?
I can't wait.
Can't wait. Alright guys, I'll see you soon. In the sandpit. Oh, she came?
She always does that. Can we just go in? 'Cause
Your bag, honey.
I love your shoes.
Kaninang umaga, hindi yan siya marunong maglakad sa bago niyang sapatos.
I love your shoes.
Where's your bag?
There's your bag.
There it is.
Where's your water bottle?
How about your water bottle, honey?
Can you get your water bottle for Daddy? Thank you.
Look, a paper bag.
Okay, get your pink one.
Alam na alam niya, oh.
Put it in. Thank you.
Good job, Evan. Mommy, did you miss Mama, nak?
Kiss mommy, daddy,
I shush, Mommy, Daddy, I missed you.
Okay, too.
I missed you. Say hi, sabi.
Hi.
Say here. Hi. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Oh, hi, guys. We're going now. Oh, yeah. Ask Daddy where we're going now.
Yeah.
Ask Daddy where we're going now. Daddy.
No.
Shopping.
By egg,
Yeah.
Buy egg and
juice.
juice.
No, I'm going to go shopping to buy juice.
That's right. We're going shopping, buy juice. Good girl.
Red, yellow, green.
Did you... Oh, she's green. Red,
Purple.
yellow, green, purple. Ayan, ang tinitingnan niya, oh.
No.
Nak, did you have a nice day, Nak?
Pay picture.
Did you have a nice day? Huh?
And this picture.
Picture.
Yeah.
Sarah. Is Sarah in today?
Who's this?
Who's that?
Hito.
Hito. You're just so cute. Kisa si Mama, be. More? More?
Mar. Mar.
More?
Mar.
More?
Car.
What is that?
It's our car.
Where's our car? Now you're saying our car. Last time you said your car. Good job.
Truck.
Is it our car now? Huh? Did you just say where's our car? You're so cute, Baba.
Our
Oy.
car.
Yes, our car. Nakauwi na kami. Ayan na ang ating baby girl. Oh, nanonood na ng nursery rhymes niya. Kasi, pinadidi ko. Tapos, gapiyong-piyong na siya. And I said, you can't go to sleep yet, anak. Kasi, kakain ka pa ng dinner. Diba, nak? Honey, say hi, honey. Baba. Paris? Wala, nagpicture-picture siya. Asa, nak? Nag-stop kami kanina sa ano, 'di ba? Sa grocery. Ayan yung mga napamili namin. And ilalagay lang namin sila sa fridge tsaka sa pantry. Magluluto na ako ngayon ng dinner, guys. Ito yung lulutuin ko. Pampanga style longganisa. Nakalimutan ko na. Sa freezer pala to. And tingnan nyo, oh. July 2020 ang kanyang expiration date. So, lulutuin na natin ngayon para masarap ang ating dinner. What are you eating, honey?
Ice.
Ice. What's the color of your ice?
Yellow.
Yellow. That's not yellow, honey.
Green.
It's green. Binigyan niya ako ng isa. This one is ano only, guys. Yung juice lang ba, tsaka tubig. Kasi gustong gusto niya. Kami lang yung gumagawa. Nilalagay namin sa dito, lumahan. Tapos, pag good girl si Paris, pinibigyan namin siya niyan. Wow, yummy! Did you say thank you to Daddy, Nak?
Actually, Daddy.
Shh. Did you have a nice day at school today? Did you play?
Play?
Mm-hmm. Did you play? What else did you do at school today, honey? Come on. What's wrong?
It's the teeth.
Oh, hurt the teeth.
Brush your teeth, brush.
Yeah, we'll brush unya na. We'll brush it unya ha. Okay, green na yellow na yung ngipon. Ato i-brush unya before bed.
It's place.
That's yours. That's your toothbrush. Ah, unya na mag-toothbrush. Anak, magkaon pa manggihapon ka.
Dear.
Ha? It's Paris's. Do it later.
Going to place.
Do it later ba? Pagkaon sa imong ice drop. Nami. Where's your tummy?
No.
Where's your tummy? Show mama. Where's your tummy? Where's your tummy? There it is.
Where's yours?
Where's your nose? Where's your shoulder? B, show mama. Asang shoulder? There. Where's your eyebrow? Oh, that's elbow, honey.
Elbow.
That's right. That's eyebrow.
Nose, elbow.
That's elbow. That's right. Where's your knee? That's right. Where's your toes? Asang toes, nak?
Yeah.
Mommy.
Yes, try.
Paris.
This way.
Eating sugar.
No, Mom.
Telling lies.
No, Mommy.
Open your mouth. You do it to mama. Say mama. Gabi.
Mommy.
Yes, Paris.
Eat his cookies.
No, Paris.
Yes.
No, Paris.
Open your eyes. Daddy.
Daddy, do you want to ask Daddy as well? Okay, let's go.
Daddy.
Hang on, look at ask Daddy. Go tell Daddy. Ask Daddy. Where's Daddy? Come on, where's Daddy?
Daddy.
Yes? What?
Yes, Paris.
Yes, Paris?
Eating cookies.
No, Paris.
Yes.
No, Paris.
Open my
Ha ha ha.
me.
Yes, Paris.
Yes. Eat his cookies.
No, Paris.
Guys.
No, Paris.
Open your eyes.
What?
Daddy.
Ana, mahuman kita ani nak ugma. Daddy.
Yes, Paris.
Hi guys! Nandito na ako ngayon sa beauty room ko and it's currently 7:42 ng gabi. Ayan. The dinner is currently cooking. Ayun, nilutuan na din namin si Paris para sa dinner niya. And I thought na quickly finish my vlog for today. Kasi, alam niyo na guys, alam niyo yung gagawin ko tonight. So, after dinner, kailangan ko paglinisan si Paris para ready na siya for bed. Papadidi ko si Paris para makatulog na siya. And then, after that, plano kong mag-work for 1 hour tonight kasi sobrang busy talaga. I need to do stuff para hindi ako masyadong mabigatan bukas. And apart from that, guys, oh my God, I need to get Paris's things ready for tomorrow. So, yung mga dadalhin niya sa childcare, i-ready ko na yung bag niya, tapos yung susuotin niya bukas, i-ready ko na rin. So, while ginagawa ko yan, guys, I will have to transfer yung mga videos galing sa camera ko, papunta sa phone ko, para makapag-edit na ako. I don't know if I can do editing tonight kasi hindi ko na talaga kaya, guys. There's not enough time in a day. And, tingnan niyo yung buhok ko, oh. Minsan, nakakalimutan ko lang magsuklay. So, sobrang busy talaga ng atin nyo. Wala nang time. So, mamaya, after ng 1 hour overtime ko, I'm not sure, maybe makakapag edit ako para sa video tomorrow. Kasi, guys, you've got no idea. Gustong-gusto ko talagang mag-edit, mag-upload. Namomotivate ako ng mga positive comments nyo. Kaya gusto kong mag-upload all the time. Before nga, nung wala pang nanonood sa mga videos ko, everyday nga ako nag-upload. Ngayon pa ba na meron na akong kayo? I'm very happy kasi medyo marami-rami na tayo and may nakikita akong mga bagong comments and lovely silang lahat and it makes me very, very happy. And yun na nga sabi ko, nakakapag-motivate sa akin na mag-upload pa more. And minsan nga lang nahihirapan akong mag-manage ng time ko kasi yun na nga sabi ko, hindi sapat yung oras sa isang araw. Hindi ko kayang gawin lahat sa isang araw. Hindi ko man siya ma-edit tonight. I will edit it tomorrow morning pagkagising ko. Kaya ang hirap talaga guys. Ang hirap talagang pagkasyahin lahat sa isang araw. But, kaya ko to. Kayang-kaya. I-end ko na yung vlog natin here, guys, kasi late na siya and gusto kong mag-spend ng time with Paris and Mike before bedtime ni Paris. So, gusto ko lang magpasalamat, guys, sa lahat ng mga bagong subscribers natin and sa mga old subscribers natin, of course. Maraming salamat sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta sa channel namin. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin as much as I enjoy filming them for you. We'll just do a quick shout out, guys, and we'll start with Christina Lee, Zandra D, Teresa Leonor, Mick Zinyabe, Eileen Gagno, Rosario Saballe, hi po. Shout out to Jean Dilay, Evelyn Ramirez. Thank you so much sa mga positive na mga comments niyo. It surely makes me really, really happy. So maraming salamat talaga. Shout out to Marisol Dayaw, Ilani Taranza, Rebecca Zunega, Chanting, Baby Sita de los Reyes. Shout out to Benji Canonio, Diane Sinete. Shout out to Evangeline Bonaos, Euphrasia Bainan, Anauli Ferrer, Reg Vince, Aida Harin, Melissa Takadina, Jasmine Visperas, Joanne Ambe, Rika Andrade. Shout out to Soulmate, Mary Mark Ray Bantayan, Rosel Malay, Marilyn Drudge, Chunayushi Sawada, shout out to Joy Pangan, Rosemary Romuar, Vanji Tirado, Dolly Inog, Rico Balarisha, Chima Kulita, Janet Gordon, hello Dai, Mustache Grafda, shout out to Riza Piel, Queen Marky Vlog, Sophie Catalina Lupisilio, shout out to Rose San Gabriel, Ella De Lima, Mia Pablo, Elma Consal, Apple Balarisha, Considerate Arnie, Mignol Castaneda, Linlin Cole, Mary Jane Subere. Shout out to Louis Saz, Elma Distor, Christopher Dote, Me ASMR, Eden, Lita Ian Brown, Lorna Tumarong, Solieta Ang, Karen Di Maano, Mercy Sarvida, Merla Adorable, Irene Nablo, Amay Vargas, Lex Ron Kulit, Michael Abad, April Days, Maribeth Trazares, Nits SJ. Shout out to Pinay Afam Travels, Jeline Aguilar, Minerva Bukayo, Amalia Esparcia, Eleanor Ambat, and always special mention sa aking mga friends, Loli's family. Hello guys, say hi to Jessica, Jess Shield, and Amy and Anthony. Kung meron man kayong time, please visit their channels as well. Siguradong matutuwa rin kayo. And once again, maraming salamat sa inyong pagmamahal at suporta. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!